Great, so to get started on today's problem of the day, we know that 3/4 of 68 are the kids, but we have to figure out the kids and the adults. So if 3/4 are the kids, that means there is 1/4 left over. So 1/4 of 68 have to be the adults, because the tickets are sold to kids and adults. Okay? So, some of you noticed that when you went to solve for the kids, you may have figured out what the other answer was to get started. Okay? So, 3/4 of 68 means to do 3/4 times 68. Okay? So, we're going to start by doing 68 divided by 4, because that's the denominator. So, 68 divided by 4 is 17. Okay, that's 1/4. That's our unit. Okay, keep that in mind. That's our unit. So we're going to multiply by 3 for the next step because we want 3 of the 4 units. So we're going to do 3 times 17, which is 51. Okay, so some kids might realize at this point, I'm all done. I figured out everything. If 1/4 is 17, then we already know that the adults equal 17. And the kids were 3/4, so we had 17 3 times, and that equals 51. Okay? If you didn't make that connection and you went one more step, you may have done 68. Take away the number of kids. Okay, 68 was the total number of tickets, and I'm going to take away what I already know are the kids. So 8 take away 1 is 7. 6 take away 5 is 1. And I got 17 again. Okay? So many different ways to solve this. If you had class with me earlier this week, maybe you decided to try the tape diagram strategy. So that might look something like that. There's our tape. Our set is 68. It's being divided into 4. And we have to find out the value of 3 of them. This just really helps us to visualize and see that 3/4 are the kids, and then we have this 1/4 left over for the adults. Okay, and I can use my number sentences up here to help me figure this out. These would all be 17, 17, 17. Okay?